there is 43272.
Okay. It's that royal.
And 43238 with the National Rail Museum livery. With iPad stop turning off. What is the time? 10:10, okay. 1 Alpha 18, the 10:09 Virgin Trains East Coast service from Leeds to London King's Cross. And there is a thing. And now departing is a shed. And no, I have no idea. Yes, I do. It's Felixstowe North to Leeds. And it's 66591. I am blocking the camera. Yay. Hooray for blocking things. Now arriving in is a thing. This is 1010, the 1017 Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. Formed of 91-124. And now arriving in is 1 Lima 00, the 1018 cross-country service from Gloucester to Stanstead Airport. This is 170-105. Gloucester. That's a Gloucester. It's been on the move since 7:15.
So have I.
And 91-124 is now departing. Off to its next stop of thing. I don't know where its next stop is actually. Passing behind the 91 is what was 1 Alpha 92, the 1017 Hull train service from Hull to London King's Cross. Anyone in my seat when the last time I was first class on Leeds? No. Yes, no one's in my seat. Okay. And we'll see what's next here at Peterborough. There's a thing.
Oh, hello.
That was 1 Alpha 70, the 1021. Grand Central service from Bradford Interchange to London King's Cross. And now coming through very, very slowly is a thing. That's 91,111 for the Fallen with 1 Delta 08, the 1024 Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Leeds. And as that heads off towards its next stop of Grantham, we will see us next here, Peterborough. And now departing is a shed, or doing something involving moving is a shed. No, it's arriving in or something. I don't know what it's doing. That's running from Whitemoor to Totton for for freight. Yeah, Freightliner, not GBRF. It's departing now at 66,588. No, it's not. What's it doing? Help, 66 has confused me. And we'll catch this when it moves off. And arriving in here to 153,379, I think, for East Midlands Trains. Terminating in on on 2 Kilo 13 from Lincoln Central. And departing there is on 58812.
No, he's bike mode, driving track. It's biomass train.
And that is running 1 Romeo 74, the 1028 East Midlands train service from Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street. No idea what that to be calling because there's so many places. And now departing is the 66.
Well,
Lovely towns. Lovely series of tones there. There's a 1-tone, then a 2-tone, so not technically a 3-tone, but there were 3 tones involved. Don't know where that's off to. Somewhere, presumably.
I think it's just going to some yard and sit there for this one.
Basically. I mean, that is technically what's going to happen when it reaches the end. Look at it! 180 passing through. Okay, no idea what the number is, but that's a Hull Trains first Great Western Hull Trains service. There's a Great Western Railway service to Hull. With one, that's 1 Hotel 02, the 1031 service to Hull. And now arriving in is a thing. Is 1041. Okay. I don't know what this is. It's 15852. There goes my iPad.
It's gone the wrong way out.
And we'll see what's next here at Peterborough. There is a thing with 90034 on the back, running a thing. Oh, by the way, there was a 90 at the back of that. Oh, and... Until 274 and 208. Alright, I'll get those service details now. Also, if you can't tell, I'm using a new microphone.
Sorry?
Yeah. I used to use the one built into my phone, but this is a different one and it's awesome. Right, so the HST, no, the 90 was 1 Alpha 19, the 1037 service from Leeds to London King's Cross. And the HST was 1 Sierra 11, the 1045 service from London King's Cross to Aberdeen. And now arriving in is an Intercity 225 set for Virgin Trains East Coast, because what else would they be? Who else runs them? It is 82-224 on the front. And this is 1 Echo 04 for 1050 Virgin Trains East Coast service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross, calling it London King's Cross only. And on the rear, with the bounce green nameplate, is 91119. Right, so we'll see what's next here at Peterborough on the East Coast Mainline. Alex, you're right in the middle of the shop. And now arriving in is 1 Delta 09, the 1051 Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Leeds. As the Edinburgh service departs, as a 365 on platform 2. I completely forgot to do my proper... No, it's gone. It's gone. Oh.
Gonna have to in the new year. Yeah, I know. Prices again.
Alright, it's an HST running a Leeds. Nice. Alright, so on the front of this is 43 314.
Oh no, it's time to destroy!
Hey. And we'll catch this on departure. And this is now leaving. Got the original interior.
Good morning. Is it all right?
And it's got yourself a first. And on the rear is 43367 Deltic 50, 1955 to 2005. And we'll see what's next here at Peterborough. And now departing is 17522. And they are on 1057.
Oh, did you?
They are running the heavily delayed 1 November 49, 1052 cross-country service from Stanstead Airport to Birmingham New Street. Never mind, it's not heavily delayed, it's only 5 minutes. Normal for cross-country. Now arriving in is a 225 set. This is 91102. Take 43257's on the rear, don't know what's on the front. And that is 1 Echo 05, the 1100 Virgin Trains East Coast service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. Yeah. H, because there's no such thing as G. K, there's no such thing as IJK. Or L, oh, IJ, there's L. There's M. And there is 82200.
Okay, parking there was 911026 in York and...
On 1 Bravo 82, the 1101 Virgin Trains East Coast service to Newark Northgate. This will be calling at Grantham and Newark Northgate. And now arriving in is 1012, the 1117 Virgin Trains East Coast service to Edinburgh. This will be calling at Newark Northgate, Doncaster, York, Northallerton, Darlington, Durham, Newcastle, Berwick-upon-Tweed and Edinburgh. There go, it is formed over as it pulls up and as it departs. Ninety-one 117 is on the front.
Oh, what is this? Oh, God, that's right there.
I have two labels, so that's...
Okay, the nameplate on this is apparently very popular. It's West Riding Limited. It's jammed, people can't get on. And it's now departing. Like, the quiet coach is in the loudest bit of the train.
Yeah.
Those interiors are quite nice. Like, even in standard they're good. It's making me dizzy. Okay, and on the rear is 82229.
Yes, my favourite.
Now passing through the thing. 92126, 82201.
Hello.
Working 1 Delta 10, the 1224 Virgin Trains East Coast service from London to Leeds. And now arriving in is 1 Yankee 82, the 1128 Virgin Trains East Coast service from York to London King's Cross. This will be calling Stevenage to London King's Cross. On the front is 82, 2 and 7.
I need to get more off doing you. I've been stuck in the house thinking about you.
And also passing through is the freight line in 66.
No, what we need to do is check it.
Oh, yeah, that'd be nice, wouldn't it?
66955. Service is 91129.
I went up there. It's right down here. So
and the VTEC service to King's Cross should be departing soon. Oh no, we have a 158 coming on platform 4.
One day because we've now got a lot of the Pendolinos put new
Platform 58.
This is 1 Romeo 78, the 1128 East Midlands Train service from Norwich to Liverpool Line Street.
Why is this not coming on? There we go. There we are.
And it'll be coming up here as it departs. VTEC departing now, I think. No, never mind, nothing's happening. No, do mind. The VTEC is departing.
Can't tell you now, really, because every time you've tried one, they just don't work very well.
Right, and also departing soon is going to be 1 Romeo 78, the 1128 East Midlands train service from Norwich to Liverpool Line Street. Next stop for this will be Grantham. Okay, never mind about special part 2. This turned up.
Dropping too many hints here.
This is happening, so yeah, no part 2. Oh, part 2 will be after this. And it's not departing. After this leaves, we'll see what part 2 will bring. Right, I have the head code for this. This is 1 Delta 11, the 1153 Virgin Trains East Coast service to Leeds from London King's Cross.
Departing now is the 1153 Virgin Trains East Coast service to Leeds from London King's Cross. 43075 at the front.
It's got the East Midlands Trains.
Oh my god.
Hello!
Oh my god.
I'm dying!
Hello there. I didn't expect you coming.
How are you here? How are you here? You did
Oh, and it's got the special livery buffet car. 3061 is on the rear. Okay, now we'll see you in part 2. Now arriving in is another East Midlands train service. This is 1 Papa 48, the 1140, no, that's wrong. 2 Kilo 17, the 1133 terminating service from Lincoln Central on the 153308. And we will see what's next here at Peterborough. The 158 is now departing after its next stop of Grantham. Hi there. Sprintery noises. 158, 858. The horrid refurbished interior. And now arriving in is 1 Lima 32, the heavily delayed 1118 cross-country service from Birmingham New Street to Stanstead Airport. This will be calling at March, Ely, Cambridge, Audley End and Stanstead Airport. This is formed of 170 636. On this train should be a bunch of Trainspotters joining us from the west. But we're unsure. So, we will see what's next here at Peterborough on the East Coast Mainline. Now passing through the 91. Went out for 822. That's 82227 with a nice two-tone there. And 91114 Durham Cathedral with 1 hour for 22, the 1137 Virgin Trains East Coast service from Leeds to London King's Cross, calling at Stevenage and London King's Cross. And now arriving in is 1 Lima 060 1141 East Midlands Trains service from Liverpool line through to Norwich. But I think it's going to wait for some passing services. That's not actually going to cross straight over. Class B, it's coming. It's just behind Virgin Trains time.
I'll go with either one, Daniel, don't worry.
To the end of the platform where I belong.
Oh, God.
We'll get what it's formed of as it arrives in. This is 158865. And it's not completely jammed. There's some free seats. Nice. And we will see what's next here at Peterborough. And now passing through is 1 hour for 61, the 1144 Grand Central service from Sunderland to London King's Cross. This is formed of an HST for one of the final times in its life. No. The original set I've seen, with the first set I ever saw from Grand Central, 43484, 43468.
How's that? Right, this is.
And now arriving in, or passing by, I don't know, is a thing. This is Felix, no, yes, Felix Donorth to Crewe Basford Hall, I think. $66,558. Right, and now passing soon should be 1013, the 1144 Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. This will be formed on the 225 set, and this will be the end of part 1 here at Peterborough. Okay, it's formed after it's passed. 130 and 82225. Right, that's the end of part 1 here at Peterborough. I will resume from part 2 later on, about 12:30. I'm going to have lunch now.
The Greater Anglia.
And now passing by is a shed. I swear, if this is the one I saw at Lewisham, the one I saw at Lewisham was actually really good. Like, literally full power for going up the hill. Yeah, this is from Wakefield Airport to Felix South. 66128. I think this is the one I saw at Lewisham. There was 126 I saw at Lewisham. Oh my god. 158 was quite the wind. I know, but the gap and then the box. Recently, I went to my first network audio class. Who brought the pacer? And we will catch this on its departure.
All aboard the freight line.
It's now off. The freight train's now off. And also arriving in as a service from Lincoln Central. 153379 from Lincoln Central, I think. Yes.
It's from Lincoln.
Is it? 31, yes. 2 kilo 29 from Lincoln Central. And we'll see what's next here at Peterborough. And now, arriving in or passing by, I have no idea, is 1 Alpha 29, the 1335 Virgin Trains East Coast service from Leeds to London King's Cross. This is passing by. 42206 is on the front.
I think it's stopped me, actually.
No, it's not. Passing by, just on red. No, wait, what? 1333. Oh no, it's 1 Yankee 84, the 1329 Virgin Trains East Coast service from York to London King's Cross. Stopping here. It's 43295 on the rear.
Oh shit, you ready to rank?
And this is now departing. Off to its next stop of Stevenage. And we will see what's next here at Peterborough. No, we have a 158 departing. It's 158785. Departing on thing. Run 1 Romeo 2060, very delayed. 1322 East Midlands Trains service from Norwich to Liverpool Line Street. Next stop for that will be Grantham. And now arriving in is 1 Lima 08, the 1341 East Midlands Trains service from Liverpool Line Street to Norwich. This is formed of 158780. I should be calling at Ely, Bedford and Norwich.
780? Yeah. 780.
And we'll see what's next here at Peterborough on the East Coast Mainline.
Guys, we've done it over 100.
And departing now is 153379 with 2 kilo 48, the 1341 East Midlands Trains service to Lincoln Central. And now passing by is 1 November 93, the 1342 Grand Central service from London King's Cross to Sunderland.
Grand Central, heading past Sunderland.
With 43,468 and 43,484. Then 82,223. And 91,141 for the Fallen.
No, Michael Day and Will have the brothers.
With 1 Alpha 29, the 1336, Virgin Trains East Coast service from Leeds to London King's Cross. And now arriving in is 1 Sierra 18, the 1347, Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh, calling at York, Darlington, Newcastle, Breckland Line, and Edinburgh. This train is formed of a 225 set, as always. This is formed of 91, 129, and an 82 on the rear, of course. And this is now departing.
Go. I heard the horn.
As that departs, 91,114 has arrived in. With 1 Delta 15, the 1352, Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Leeds. I'll be calling at Doncaster, Wakefield Westgate and Leeds. That's that one, by the way. 91,114 Durham Cathedral. And this is just leaving now. With 82,217 on the rear. And the Leeds service is now departing off this next stop of Doncaster.
Especially a squabble like that.
Yeah. I wouldn't have expected them to, well, I can't really call them mature adults, but sure. Why do I feel like I'm being watched? But I have bad eyes, so I can look through either that one or that one. Or if I really want both at once. Don't ask me how I managed to do it, but I can. It's not quite so effective now I've had them straight, but... Yeah. Are you looking at me? Yes. Are you looking over there?
And on the rear of the Leeds service is 82227.
That freaked when I opened the door, that. Yeah? Yeah. She never knows. Are you looking at that? You are? No, I'm not.
It becomes a bit sort of funny a bit.
And we'll see what's next here at Peterborough. And now departing is 170, 105. With a thing. With 1 November 55 to 1352, cross-country service to Birmingham New Street from Stanstead Airport. This will be calling at Stamford, Oakham, Melton, Mowbray, Leicester, Nuneaton, Colsall Parkway and Birmingham New Street. And now arriving in is a thing. 1 after 30 to 40, no.
I said to him when I got you, he said yes, so he must like that.
No idea. It could be 1 Echo 10, the 1351 Virgin Trains East Coast service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross, running very late. But I'm not sure. And on the rear of it though, it is 91131. And now arriving in very slowly is 1 November 85 to 1401 Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to York. As we're calling at Grantham, Newark, Northgate, Retford, Doncaster, and York. I feel like I got some of that wrong. On the front is 43257 and we'll get the rear as she departs.
Newcastle shave his beard off.
And this is now departing. I think. Yep. I did get the golden point right.
I don't know. There's two goals and that's too many. 43257 bounce green and 43290 MTU Fascination of Power on 1 November 85 from 1401 Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to York, calling at Grantham, Newark Northgate, Retford, Doncaster and York.
Aberdeen to London King's Cross.
And now passing by is 426.
Oh no, hang on, it's stopping.
Is 1 Echo 11, 40, no wait, what?
43...
Yes, 43367. With the Delta 50 nameplate, 1406. Yes, with 1 Alpha 30 to 1409 Virgin Trains East Coast service from Leeds to London King's Cross, London King's Cross only.
Leeds to London King's Cross. It's 43314.
It's 43314 on the rear.
Yeah, exactly. I've had that. I've launched before actually. For a round tour.
And we will see what's next here at Peterborough on the East Coast. And now arriving in
I can remember when they were first released.
is 1 Sierra 19, the 1417 Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. And a passing at the thing. and 317 and 91110
Okay, the HST was 1 Echo 11, the 1401 Virgin Trains East Coast service from Aberdeen to London King's Cross.
Oh, that would be nice. I mean, I know that Hitachi put some new engines on the 465s as well.
No, they just changed the inverters because the Bren inverters were making them break down on every service, basically.
Okay.
But the Hitachi ones, they've gone years without service.
Oh, there we go. Hitachi.
South Eastern can keep all 97 of them in service for like a year at a time.
Oh, I understand, really, yes.
Delicious. Now the path to lift.
It should now be leaving. Emphasis on should. Southeastern dog really though. That is leaving on 1019, the 1417 Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. Now passing by is a thing.
Don't open the front door so you get off. Oh dear.
180-106 is running with 1 Alpha 94, the 1416 Hull train service from Hull to London King's Cross with the, and it still has the first Great Western branding. And now passing by is a 225 set. This is 1 Delta 16, the 1423 Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Leeds. 91-101 and 82-205, both with Flying Scotsman livery.
Scotsman set.
Off to Leeds. And now passing by is a 66, or we'll call it a 96. 66548. And that's now heading off. Right, there's a thing passing. Yeah. 82-201 and 91-126, working as to London King's Cross. The reason I'm holding the camera is I'm going to round my video off here from the Trainspotters Festive Meetup. Yeah, so my next episode of Trainspot episode 82, will be from Brimstown on the West Anglia Mainline. Finally going there. So I'll see you at Brimstown. Goodbye.
Johnny!
A lot of people getting in your way, I'm just saying. Okay, I'll say 1509. Special train to coast service to London through Newcastle and Leeds. That was beautiful. There's another 225 coming in. What's this coming?
Front end for HST.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Shit.
What, is it actually there now?
Yeah?
Yeah, it's coming into the platform now.
Do you mean things?
Oh my god! Get in the room, is it stopping?
Oh! Where do you remember going?